Hello students, in this video I'm going to discuss that how to go about the question paper, and in this part 1 is of 30 marks, where you'll be having the Boolean algebra questions. So you have to prepare Boolean laws, all the logic gates, and or not, XOR, XNOR, NAND, NOR, right? Simplifying Boolean expression using Boolean laws, truth table verification using truth table. So all these things are pretty simple, and within few minutes you can prepare it all. Revision will be fast, and after that students, we have concepts of propositional logic. So all the concept means conditional, biconditional, contingency to contrapositive, so every all the things, conjunction, disjunction, whatever the definitions are there in the concepts, you have to be clear with that. Okay. And you have to understand the theory of, only theory I'm talking about for this section: number systems theory, convergence theory, and the binary addition theory only, right? No questions, means practical questions are there, just theory. After that students, just prepare fast the Java fundamentals, which you've already done in class 9th and 10th. Oops concepts, and yes, Java expression, how to write a Java expression. All right, a normal mathematical expression is given, and how do you convert that? Same thing you have done in class 9th and 10th as well, so that's quite easy. Different definitions and different differences, like break and continue, and a method, constructor, then binary search, linear search, bubble sort, selection sort, means conceptual differences. Okay, so many concepts you are already aware of, so that differences you can do normally. You can explain things here in your own words. You don't have to be specific, but it must make some sense. All right. Then we have got the concept of function is there, constructor is there, definitely concept of array, 2D array, all these things, different functions of a string. So have a general understanding of the topic. After that students, one question definitely will be there from output. For the output, that will be of 10 marks. So recursion and loop, two areas are there you have to understand, so that you could answer the questions from the recursion and the loop. Output questions I am talking about, means code will be given and you have to just generate the output, right? That's very important. And after that students, we have part 2. In this part 2, that will be of 70 marks. Three sections will be there: section A, section B, and section C. In this part, you have number conversion, binary addition. So number conversion means one type of numbers to the other type of numbers, and binary addition as the binary arithmetic. So one question of 10 marks will be there from these topics, these chapters. And after that, one question from this min term, maxim, truth table, SOP, POS. All these concepts must be clear, so that you could attempt the descriptive question from this section. Okay. After that students, we have a concept of universal gate, that is NAND, NOR. How and, or, and not can be represented through NAND only, and or NOR only, right? So that is important students. After that, we have drawing circuits using logic gates, writing dual expression, means any expression is there and you have to write that dual of that, one, and then writing complement of an expression. Whatever the expression is given, you have to write the complement. So complement, definitely the De Morgan's law you'll be using. You've already done all these things. Duality means wherever the an expression and operator is there, convert that to or. Wherever or is there, make it and. Wherever the 0 is there, make it 1. Wherever the 1 is there, make it 0. And complements are untouched. We don't do anything about the complement, right? So that's important that way. Duality, it is in class 12th also, so for all the classes it's very important. And you have already done the dual forms of different Boolean laws. The same concept is this one. All right. Half adder, full adder. So students, two questions from this section. After that comes the programming one, that is section B. Three questions from this. There is number program, string, extracting word, counting word, frequencies, frequency of different word, frequency of different characters, frequency of vowel, frequency of consonants. So all these things are there with that string, right? Palindrome. Okay. After that, checking different numbers in 2D array, that is matrix. Means suppose I want to check, just check how many numbers are there in the given matrix which are palindrome or even or odd, whatever. Means the concept will be same, only you have to perform this concept upon the matrix using functions. All right, the students, in the sorting we have only bubble sort here. Searching linear and the binary search, prepare that. After that, sorting of alphabets in the given word, numbers, which I have already talked about, bubble sort, that is. Then arrange the words, then searching a word in a given string. All these concepts, generally you have to just see, you've already done that in class 10th also, so it's pretty easy for you. Students, uh, after that, section C, in that recursion, that is number programs, and different other recursive program, whatever you have done, you have to be clear about the concept of recursion, because once you know the how to run the loop, so from that loop you can pick up the idea of designing a recursive function. So you'll be having two questions from this section, and from section B, which is the previous one, you have to do three questions. All right, so and one question will be there from definitions and differences from computing and ethics, and the file handling and differences among the different concepts of in Java as well, which I have already talked about, like break, continue, constructors, different types of constructors, differences, and different types of difference of between the different type of search techniques and sorting techniques, difference between the constructor and function, all these things, so you have to be thorough with that. Right, so that is the way you can prepare and revise your syllabus fast. I hope you all are clear about it. Right, and all the best. Thanks everyone.